Hello guys, happy Monday. It's December 2. Now we have flowers here. This one is the flower. You see? It's a red roses. Now it's the violet. That violet. There is no it's very nice. Violet. This one for them talaga, it's very expensive. The flowers, so you see the blue, the dark blue, it's like artificial, but it's fresh flower rose. This one. I'm just see here in the what's that, the blue, the dark blue rose. I don't think so. Talagang there is a black blue, dark blue rose. I didn't notice that one in the Philippines. Maybe there is, but just is not familiar to me, the blue rose. But here is too much. So very nice. So later na to si Madam mag-fix yata to. Maybe she do it this one to the flower piece and she do something. I don't know. Because I just put this one here. It's the same, diba? I told you it's the same. If you put water, this one, it's almost one. No, for this, almost 1 week minimum. But if you don't put also the water of this one, it's the same. Because I think they put already medicine of these flowers. Okay, so I put that one here. Just a minute. After that one, pull down na naman yung cellphone ko. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba, nabaliktad na yung cellphone ko. Iyan ako muna yan sa ibang way. Okay, yan na muna yan. Yan na muna yung cellphone, yung view. Okay, view na yan sa view. You see, that's what I do. Yung sinasabing fix as soon as possible, that you can finish. Okay, and another one, where is the another one? It's here in the kitchen. Si Madam yun magbigay ng flower, I'm sure. She put flower, this one. Okay. Hello. Ayan me. Hello. Good morning. Si Madam yan magbigay. Yes. Okay, sana yun. Ayan. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. It's my work time na. I go na to the big balcony and to clean there. Okay. Keep safe lagi. Again, shout out to all subscriber of mine nationwide and worldwide, and shout out to all of us yung hindi pa nag-subscribe. I wish that you support my Simply YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much talaga. Thank you. Keep safe lagi to the all families or each one of us. Keep safe lagi, especially to our health, and God bless us all, and bye.